got? Hey, I brought the Caprice out. We here at Yello Belly, aka Hood Track. Yello Belly drag strip, y'all. Finna see what they got up in here tonight. Oh, it's time for me to move up already. We got Home Depot up here. Uh-oh, excuse me. Bet. Do I want to be in this line? Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. Who that is back in the building, y'all? They got this a nice little CTSV up here. I done already took the scooter home. Oh, okay, they got one of these dedicated motorsport CTSVs up here.
Well, he does want some of that CTS.
Nah, I don't want none of him. He done spent some money. Yeah, look at here, y'all. I'm scared of him. I'm scared of him. Man, his hood costs more than my car, man. Hey! What's up, man? Let me catch this race. Hey. What's up with it? Boom. I got all night to talk, but I ain't got that long to catch these races. Look out. How y'all doing over there today? I don't know, I'm trying to see something. See what they working with. Man, I'm trying to see something. Let me see what I need. Dang, ain't nobody bet with this side.
Oh, is that a lookout?
Yeah, we out here trying to look at one time for the one time.
Hey, what are you looking at?
It died.
Sight?
It died. I accidentally killed that thing, man. I be having accidents sometimes. Yeah, I already cleaned them, y'all. I think I might got a grudge race already, y'all. I think I might go and do it, man. I don't know. Old boy that got that Mustang, he said he want to do it again. It's just the Caprice been so inconsistent. Cause I still ain't put a new water pump on there yet. You ready? Who you gonna run, this Mustang? It's okay. I need to bet with you. Can you get him? Ooh, what's up with it? Yeah, I'm gonna have to trim. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try it anyway, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go and do it, y'all. We coming up. I'm gonna go and tell them, yeah. Man, I hope I can get him, man, again. I need to get his ass. Do the grudge race. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have to get him. I think my boy here, you bet with that Mustang, right? That gray Mustang?
What Mustang?
The one I raced last time. I think that's what you were betting with. Yeah. Oh, he did? Yeah, he said he want to race me. I guess what he want to race me again. So I'm gonna go and try him. See if I can get another. He want to do it for 100. Yeah, he want to do it for 100. Oh, they got a new little motor in it. look out. What's the deal, man? I'm trying to look out, man. I'm looking out. I'm looking out. Where y'all at right here? Where y'all at? Y'all in it wonder. Call there? Oh, okay. Okay, Home Depot gonna run the lake. Okay. What's up with it? Right line for the win, y'all. Let's eat in this bitch. They funky town back there killing. Oh, I think this thing. Oh yeah, this thing be running. They be doing that good burnout. I like it. Let me see. Hey, let me move down. They want me to move my car. Golly, it's too much shit going on at one time. Yeah, man, let me move. There go Home Depot right there. I'm finna move. I'm finna move it. Nah, they say you finna run that Cadillac. Damn, I'm gonna have to damn near make a pass. How the hell? Damn. Now you know I see that LS more with me. That's that stroker block, y'all. I guess I might just. What I'ma do? I thought I don't know who I'ma race. I'ma just. Nah, he running Home Depot. He finna run Home Depot. I'm finna just make sure it'll latch up real good.
Hey, let him over there.
Man, he want me to be right there. Shit, I guess. I'll put it on over there. Forget it, yeah. I'll go and put it over there.